Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. Natalia here. We have unboxing to do, diamond painting. It came in a box, it was wrapped in other protection thing. The only thing I will say that it have a little bit oopsie, which I already emailed to the store, and they will fix this little tiny problem. So the store is, if I can pronounce correctly, METODEALS. I don't know if that's the name. It's brand new, first time on my channel, so I hope you will check them out and see if you like designs. The problem that I talk about, I already opened. As you can see in here, the canvas a little bit bigger than a box, so for that was kind of squished, bended on the inside. So I already emailed that this is not good idea to do this, and I asked them if they could please do a little bit longer box so we don't have these wrinkles. Even this is not very big problem because these designs are on velvet canvas, so it really kind of forgivable to the easy to even up. I hold this overnight open and it's almost all the wrinkles gone. If I would flatten up, it probably go away. You can also iron this fabric a little bit. But let me show you. I choose one design from the store, but it's a big one and it's absolutely adorable. A link will be under my video in the description box, so check it out and see if you like anything. They have up there an AB diamonds and Faraday diamonds, round, square, and different sizing, so I hope you will like it. But the design I chose, let's see if we have a bigger picture in here or not, I can't remember. Okay, so I picked square diamonds. Is anything else in here? Yes, we have a tools. All right, let's see if I have a picture in here so I can show you picture on a paper first. It is so cute that I couldn't help it. You know, as much as I like designs of flowers, landscapes, sometimes I like to have a very goofy and funny looking designs. If it's make me smile, then I'm all up to. Look at that. Okay, so tell me if I'm pronouncing correctly. METODEALS. Would you say that way or me? Two deals? I don't know. Met? I don't know. Tell me if I'm correct or not. But look at that design. Isn't that adorable? I know it's Christmassy kind of because it has ornaments in their hands, so they kind of like almost represent Christmas tree by stacking on top of each other. But look how cute! Oh, this is so cute. I don't know. I just fell in love with this design. And it's a 60 by 80 centimeters. It says, oh, hold on. It says in here, square diamonds. For their logo, we have a whale. And how many colors in here? Let's see what kind of diamonds in here. Are they all just a regular or some special? Let's see. I have in here 35 colors. For now, I don't see if it's any specialty in here. It's probably just a regular colors in here. Let's see. Oh, you know what? No, let's not see right now. Hold on. We have to see other stuff first, then diamonds. Okay, so the kit, here's what we have for kit. This cheap kind of tweezers, one placer, three placer, clear, kind of glittery sometimes looking, I think, or this is clear one, kind of light, not very good in here. I will have to probably add some light to this video, not sure. Two squares of wax, or this one not cut, no, looks like a one, just a longer one. And this is the medium size tray. Sometimes I I say large tray, so this one's smaller, kind of a little bit higher edges in here, but also kind of like a open more, which I like the other one, bigger one, better. And usually I recommend better tweezers than this one, but this is the new store, new beginning, so maybe later in the future they will change some. This is my very first review for them, so let's see what they have. Canvas looks like a good quality canvas. It has a separation, you can see on the light. There is from the two sides of the clear plastic. It is a velvet fabric canvas, which very resistant to the wrinkles. And here's the side where it was folded. You can see that's slight wrinkles, but if I can show you on a glue, it should be not do any damage on a glue. There's no damage on a glue. It's still nice and shiny, good thickness of the glue in here. Canvas nice and sparkle, lots of glitter on it. And usually in this situation, okay, let me just move my chair and stand up. It's going to be more comfortable because it's a big canvas. Usually I do iron on this side, even put a little bit like a towel, something between, and on a very low heat, just a little bit iron and all those wrinkles will go away. So this is not a problem at all. And here is the canvas. It's a biggie one. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, let's see this one. Wow, the light reflection. Have to get it. Okay, here it is. Look at this big, gigantic decorative ball. And go all the way to the top. Those eyes are just so cute. Let's see. A sideway. I don't know if I can. Maybe. Let's see if I can readjust a little bit camera. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Or maybe just like that, so you can see better. And I want to peel this, because it feels like if I can flash it, you can see kind of wrinkles, but that's only on a clear paper. It's not on a canvas. So let's just open, and now look in here. There's no wrinkles up there. We can open this one page, and maybe we can see those mice nicely. Oh my god, the cuteness. They are so cute. Look at that. This one canvas will be good to work with the multi-placer, because there's lots of area in here with the same symbols, so it will be nice to do. But look at this canvas quality. Symbol wise, clarity is good. Here's the little bit of the, I'm afraid to touch with the glue. How about the brown colors? Can you see good them? Hold on, I'm afraid to stick glue to the camera. Let me just close a little bit this so I can investigate with my own eyes in here the brown colors, because usually brown colors of the symbols hardest to see if they are dark. And I have to say, with the light pad would be better, because it is kind of dark in here. If I can show, it's going to be upside down a little bit for you, but see what I mean. It's a little bit darker up there, so it's harder to see if you don't have a good light, unless you work by the window on the daytime. So it's all open, but this it's not too many spaces like this, just like in the mice ears and a little bit of the noses, which even from far away I can see it, but this is just like extreme picking that you know, it's not big deal at all. And if you have a light pad underneath, that's even better. You're going to enjoy working on it. Okay, let's see, something. I got something dirty. It feels like it's just fresh. Did I touch something in here? I don't know. But what do you think? What do you think of this beauty? Sideway usually always better view, because this wiggles, if to show you correct way, always attracting light from the chandelier, and sideway looks more flat, and then you can see the whole design kinda. It is big one. It is big one, and it's gorgeous. It is gorgeous. I love this one, guys. They are so cute. Oh my god, those eyes. They're so cute. That would be so much fun to work on them. And it's, yeah, 60 by 80 centimeters. And we have lots of diamonds to go with it. It's a big bag in here of diamonds, I have to say. So this one just a regular, I guess I pick nothing special, just the regular colors. Look at this big bag. That's a lots of diamonds. This one. There's some pretty one in here. Oh, look at that. You know, I love this kind of colors. Usually it's like this combination is very pretty together. So lots of brown colors and gray because of the nature of the design. So here's what you can see, just a few of the brighter one in here and some like a burgundy cherry red. Okay, but yeah, I like design. I choose this design, so I guess I wasn't looking for any AB diamonds or other one. I just wanted to do this like in natural color light, so that's all the color we see. What do you think? It's going to be pretty. For 35 colors, I say it's a decent amount of colors because it's most like just the ornaments really kind of colorful. The rest of is like a muted natural colors and plain kind of background. So for 35 colors number, I think it's going to be looking good. I'm really happy with the canvas quality. More like quality of the glue. It's extremely like a good thickness of the glue. You see that? And symbols are very clear, just a little bit on a brown one. I notice it doesn't matter from which company you will order, it's always more difficult to see on a brown shades, the darkest spot, because they all kind of collected same symbol color in one patches. I don't know why it happening like this, or maybe well, probably because of the background of the canvas will be matching with the colors of the diamond, so it's going to be, if it's any gap or whatever, it's not going to be visible. But this is a cutie. So I have one more brand new store to review for you. Just look out for my new videos, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, hit the notification bell. That way you will always know when my new video will go live on my YouTube channel. And follow on Facebook group, Lovecraft Forever. Instagram, TikTok, everything same name, Lovecraft Forever, so it's easy for you to find. If I will have any additional information about the store, I definitely will put under my video. And yes, I did as soon as I receive, I emailed them to create bigger boxes for longer designs. It's not good to be squished because lots of people not going to like it. So they replied to me immediately and will try to eliminate this problem as soon as possible. Alright, my friends, thank you so much for staying with me. It was a short video, sweet but cuteness overload. I know many of you going to love it. And check it out what else up there in the store. There's lots of other good stuff up there, cute different kind of diamonds, different sizes that you can choose, and happy diamond painting. And if you are new on my channel, every Thursday we have a diamond painting day, and the other days cross stitch. When it's unboxing, could be any other day, but for diamond painting for sure 100% Thursday. So join me and my whole bunch of group of people who like to diamond paint. We can do fun together, chit chat, and hear some stories. And who else I can tell you? I don't know, everything I know you will know. Thank you so much to the company METODEALS for providing me this design to showcase on my channel. I really appreciate. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. and it would be easy to work on it because it's already like from 2-piece separation of this plastic. So it would be nice to kind of complete one side, and the other one will be completely sealed, so no dust, puppy fur, lint or anything else. So it would be like easy to work on one side, then flip around and work on another side. And diamonds looks like very, very nice diamonds. Looks shiny, good quality. The other way we can figure out if they're really, really good is to try to work with them and see the actual quality on the canvas, how they fit together in the squares, if they pushy or too much gaps. That's something that important to figure out when we have a new stores, to check them if they are good or not, right? Okay, my friends, thank you so much for staying with me. I will see you tomorrow.